Recording this entire time. That is not the first time I've done this. I hate doing that. You are in total other universe. In a galaxy far, far away. Why are you shooting my birds? You are literally aiming at the birds.
Being a bird, I just killed one.
Ooh, kill him.
No, 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 no.
Ooh. Ooh, kill him.
You hentai monster, die.
Time monster.
Victory.
I'm gonna go get Loki.
No.
Where's Loki? Where'd he go?
Where's refilling prophecy?
There he is. Okay. What? Where's the club puppy? He was in Corell's room. Okay, I got Loki.
Alright, let me feel puppy.
He's by your legs. But in front of you. You hit him in the face. You just hit him in the face.
I'm sorry, puppy.
Oh, poor dog. And now he's attacked. Aww. Watch out, watch out. Okay.
Die, you fat
Oh, he likes it. Alright.
Can I throw a tree at them?
I don't know, can you throw a tree at him?
No.
Loki! Loki, 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 Loki! Oh, you're a good boy. 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 Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Oh, you're a good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. It's a good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy, good boy. Oh, great. Phone is almost dead. Ow, ow, ow.
Come here.
And I think I'm gonna end it right